So today we are gonna assemble this Toyota. As a Filipino, every New Year we buy a Toyota. So I'll show you later. So we gotta be quiet because my little brother is sleeping. Open the net. I'm in my bedroom right now. Plastic. Put this one. Oopsies. Oh no. First, we're gonna take the tag off. Oh no. I'm gonna take this one off. Wait, I'm gonna get right back. So I'm back there, so let's assemble it. Whoa! Look here. Oopsies. So long. Mga higko na.